Terima kasih buat lo semua di sini. Oke, semuanya. Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cooking raw with the Brooklyn boys. So one last night, I need your more. Oke, semuanya. What the hell are we waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So one last time, make some noise. Okay, yo, you know, this is the whole meeting. Rest of love and really get that. Can't not go, really back, you can't really rap. It's like 3G rap is a crime. Yo, it's so carefully for that. Make the take over the globe, the break bread. I mean, go and get, go break bread. All the country was blue, but still got neck. On the low, but the yacht with a triple neck. With the fucking track. Yeah, they're opening with closing. Got time to pack the home. Can't open the game, we all wild open the game. Go back the door of inspiration. Soon you can do, you can't replace it. You keep imitation for this generation. Hardcore, do you want more? Brooklyn roll with the Brooklyn boys. For one last time, I need your support. Okay, semuanya. What the hell are we waiting for? After this, there should be no more. So one last time, let's make some noise. That's that. That's that. So, why do we want the world to be? Hey, dong. Feeling so restless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you expecting from me. Walking in your shoes, sorry, I don't just talk, I don't. Every step that I take, they still not respect. I don't know. What the hell are you waiting for? Sure to go. Apalin dong lagunya makanya. Apalin lagunya makanya. Bukan. Salah gue ya. I become. Udah.